Vengo dalla Nigeria e ho 18 anni. It's not only me. All girls are forced to do it. You will not see a responsible girl that will just go to street and start working if somebody doesn't tell them to go. I want to be a big witness to others like, look at we were together before doing this, but just look at her now. She's not a changed person. Maybe from there, others in the street might come to me one day, please, how do you do it? Can you just introduce me to that person? It's a very good thing. I studied nursing in Nigeria. I went to the school for 6 months. Then I started training in the hospital. I lost my dad 2014. I need to cater for my family. I only have mother and 4 siblings. My mother had told me that there is a friend of her that wants to help, but she never knew it's the other way around. I found myself in a place where there was a group of people where I started my journey. There are many small villages before you will get to the desert, but you start the desert journey after Agadez. From Agadez, they will put you inside the helos, cover in the front, at the back there is nothing. You will sit inside the helos, a very small helos, maybe more than 30 people will be inside the helos. So many people lose their life in that journey. Thank God. That was how I arrived in one place called Gatroun in Libya. When I was in that Sabah, we were 4 in group. Let me just say 4 in group. They took the rest, they left me. They said they want to use me that money. The person that I was going to meet in Sabah is owing them money, that I'm so beautiful, I can work in the connection house, I can make money. Trying to challenge the woman, I was like, oh, I can't do this. The woman, he sent his boy to slap me. I received a very hot slap that day, but that doesn't mean. Then in the evening of it, they now came and took me from that place to that very man. His name is Blessed. I don't want to talk too much. Like, there are other things that happened. They were taking other girls with me there. They would take them. I don't know what they were doing with them. They also leave only me there. Thank God they did not come and take me, because I think they have done something stupid with them. In that place that they wanted to use me for it, like working in the connection house, just be there, dressing, nonsense dressing, boys will come, make sex with you. They will not give you the money, but to the person that is in charge of that connection house. So the next morning, they put us on helos again to go to Tripoli. We were with one man called, he's a Ghana man, something like Ibrahim. They take me to camp where you can meet different type of people, different country. April 25, they tried to push us. Some Libya boys, Asman boys, bust our boats. Many people died. We were up to 130 something. But after the incident, I think we are now 60 something or 70. I was crying like, I don't want to go again. I want to go to Nigeria, but there is no way you can go. It's very difficult. Then in July again, they pushed us. I think the boat they used in pushing us is not good. So the boat let less down. So that was how we go back to Libya. They pushed us in Temba, and thank God I arrived in Italy, at Reggio Calabria. Something happened that makes me go to Torino. So I was there in Torino for some months before the Carabinieri took me. I thought they were going to deport me because they said they are taking me to Rome, I was crying, oh, you people want to deport me, because I heard that the deportation camp is in Rome, but I never knew they were for my help. I wish when I came to Italy, I was left to stay in the camp, do what you want to do with your life, go to school. But all I was asked to do is to pay, and I have no choice. But I've given her 4,000 euros.
Per ripagare del viaggio?
The total amount I'm going to pay to the woman, to the person, is 20,000 euros. My mom will call me that, my madam, they are disturbing her. Like, where is your daughter? They don't want to pay again. She don't want to pay again, this and this. Only thing she can do is by going to Juju. That's just my belief. Juju will never do me anything. Thank God. I did it for some months. It's not even up to a year before I leave the road. So I'm very happy for that.
Come vedi il tuo futuro adesso?
My future is very, very great. I just need support, because I can't just stand alone in there, because if there is no help, like if I didn't see who helped me, I'm still going back to that street. And now that I'm in association, step by step, I know that my dream will surely come true. I want to become a nurse. That is my dream. That is my future.